Hello, beautiful souls. How are all of you doing today? Welcome back to this weekly reading. Today we'll be doing two card readings. But before that, I want to ask you, how are you feeling in your body? Is there something in your body that you're feeling too overwhelmed about? Are you feeling too stressed or constructed somewhere in your body which is not aligning? And do you feel that you can let it go and surrender? Because I trust me, I'll tell you, it is not doing good anything to your body, so you might as well want to just release and surrender. Okay, let's get on to our weekly reading. The first card deck is the Indigo Angel from the Charles Virtue. We'll be asking a very common question that we always do is, what is that one overarching scheme for this week? And the second is Life Purpose card by Doreen Virtue. So this card deck I especially use if people have they want some clarity regarding, life purpose or the career, what are they doing or what should they do something ahead in their life. But I just had a notion this card deck wants to really speak to us, so let's see. And I really like this golden thing. Let's not get distracted. Before moving on to our card reading, I want to bring notice to few things. First, I want to tell you that there are so many things readily available to you for free. You know, in this world, we all know YouTube for sure, but there are so many people who do offer their services for free. Like I particularly have a different quota every month for free services that I cater, and I feel whoever approaches me and they tell me like if they want a service but there is something that they can't afford, I really like to move some spaces around and help them, with a free session, because I feel this is like my extension of service that I do. But why am I telling you this is because a lot of times there is something or the other that stops us from going ahead in our life, and we feel that probably we don't deserve it, and that probably we won't get it, or if we ask then there'll be so much judgment about it. No, it's not like that. Sometimes you just need to ask and let universe know that you're ready to seek help, and let universe know that you are looking for options or places where you can be helped. So it could be any person, or it could be any particular thing. You can ask them for maybe a little discount or a free service. Just see how is that the energy. Like, please don't go on to, therapy shopping or going around, accounts or places just asking people for free services. No, that's not what I'm telling you. I'm telling you is, if you are really in a space where you really need help, like for example, I create content where you can tap into it for free, where I write, like recently I made this post about journal prompts, so that is completely for free. And if you're writing that and somewhere in the process you feel that you are getting stuck, you can come back to me and message me and ask for clarity, something like that. So there are so many free things available. You need to be ready for it. You can't keep complaining that you don't have enough, or you don't have money for it, or you don't have money for a coach or for a therapy. No, it starts with you. It does not start with that particular therapist. It starts with you wanting to take action. So do that for yourself. Okay. And secondly, I want to tell that the course that I did like long years ago, I don't know if that's the appropriate statement. Anyways, a course that I did for the card reading, like wanting to be a certified card reader, I have that course available with me with a discounted price. So anybody of you is interested, you know, to learn that and see if you can get a career, or you want to do this professionally, the card reading. So you can do this course online from Hay House, and you will be getting a certificate which is like affiliated all over the world. And you can use this professionally to do a card reading like I do. Okay, let me know if you are interested, or share it with your friends and family if they are interested. Like, I guess the Hay House has the same course with $500 or $499 or something, but I have the discount code. Like, I have it in a very lesser price, so you can contact me if you are interested, and we'll see how we can work that out. Okay. Now going on to a card reading. First card from the Indigo Angel. Let's ask what is that one guidance or that one energy that the universe wants us to know for this coming week. Like, August is already here, the first week of August is gone, and I think just like that, to so usually cards do pop out like that, but not always. Apologize. The card apologize. The first thing that came up to my mind was forgiveness. I think it's a very strong message that we need to apologize to ourselves first. See where you can forgive yourself first, and then see where you can forgive someone else. Where are you holding that so much, like in your life or in your body? Where are you holding so much of space for someone because you hate them, or there is some hatredness towards them? Apologize. You can apologize to yourself. I would really suggest you to write this or journal it about, how you want to apologize to yourself for being hard, being judgmental, being self-doubty, being hating your body, hating your intuitions, or wanting so much more from ourselves than we can do or we can serve. So apologize and forgive yourself first, and see how is there one particular person that you want to apologize for, or there are more than one? There is this beautiful line I remember Charles has written is, yeah, know that while saying you're sorry may not be easy or even seem fair in this situation, it's been asked of you because it serves a higher purpose. It's not for your ego. It's not for, oh my God, like, how can I ask for an apology? No, it's not coming from an ego perspective. It's coming from a higher self, your higher self, your light, the beautiful energy that is guiding you wants you to know that once you apologize and once you seek that forgiveness, there'll be so much clarity that you will have in your life. This is a lesson for you to put aside your pride and do something for greater good. Yeah. So you can write a letter, or you can write a note on who you want to apologize, and you can start saying, being okay, you can start asking for an apology, or doing that energetically first, like in your mind, and write it on a paper, and then do it in action, if you feel, if you want that, the courage. So first you can do it energetically, and then you can move it on to do it in reality. Okay, but please do it. Now, the life purpose card, I will be asking a question on what is that one guidance that this card, that this energy can give us to know, to get clarity on our life purpose. So some of us may already be doing our life purpose, but we can get more clarity on how well we can do or serve. So let's see. Environmentalist. You are an earth angel. Okay. Environmentalist. You are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture, and teach about nature and the animals. Okay. The message that I'm getting here is you need to tap into something more that is natural to you. When you try to get in touch with the nature that is around you, You may be living somewhere where a garden or something might not be accessible, but you can just close your eyes and ground yourself and feel that energy. Feel on how, like the mother is trying to protect you, or the mother earth is giving you all the nourishment or all the food that you want. Like every grain, every vegetable that we eat is coming from the earth. So there will be, of course, something very natural around you in your life. So it could be a pulse, it pulses. Okay, it could be a dal, it could be a grain, it could be a flower, a fruit, a vegetable. You may have a garden or a plant around. So just try to hold it and just feel the energy, and maybe try to rub your hands around it and feel what is that energy trying to tell you, because there is one, it will try to nurture you, it will try to give you some clarity about it. So when you will spend a little time getting in touch with the true nature of yourself and true nature of the mama earth, then you will gain and you will seek so much clarity about your life purpose. Also, I think there's also one very beautiful message that is coming in, that you need to play a little. Like if you look at this girl, she's just like, she has wings of course, but she's just so happy and just playing around like in a farm. So that is also a message that is coming from you know the angel. There are a lot of messages that is coming. Like one particular message is coming from someone maybe who's listening to this or watching this, is that if you are planning, that you've been planning to end a relationship or end a addiction, that you've been thinking that it would be so hard for you, but it won't be hard for you and you can go for it. You will get all the support and love from the angels and higher self, so that you can end the relationship, or end the addiction that you've been so addicted to. Okay, whoever is listening to this, you would know this is for you. So please understand, there is a very clear guidance that has come through me for you, not me directly, through me. Okay, yeah, very beautiful cards. So, apology and environmentalist. So, like, maybe if you can see how you can connect with nature more, it could be crystals. You can connect with crystals to tap into that more Mama Earth energy, and you would get clarity of it. So, see how do you want to do that for yourself, and yeah, that's that for this week, and see you next week again. Also, let me know if anybody of you is particularly seeking for any clarity in any areas of life. It could be finance, it could be relationship, it could be career, or anything. You can let me know in my DMs, and yeah, thank you so much for being here again. I love doing this for all of you, and yeah, thank you so much. I have few announcements. Like I'm planning for a program related to trauma, coming next week. So you can let me know if you are interested, or if anybody else is interested. What the workshop or the program will be about? We'll be walking through one or particular, like layers of trauma that you've had in your life, and we will see how we can heal through that trauma. So what, with my understanding, traumas are nothing minor or major. Like you don't have to be stuck by a tsunami or in an earthquake, or I know, something so massive. It could be something very small, like an accident, or a death, or a grief, because we are really never, our bodies and emotionally, we are never really prepared for any trauma that happens in our life. And it could be something very small, नहीं कह सकते, like it could be something so fragile that you might have felt in your heart and in your body, that the trauma has led you with so many confusion and so many wrong beliefs in your life. So yeah, we'll be walking through all that energies and how we can heal that. So let me know if you are interested, and if you want to know more about it, we can have an open discussion about it. See you guys soon. Have a beautiful week and drink lots of water, hydrate yourself, and eat well. Like Just eat well. I'm not that clean eat or whatever people want to believe in. Just eat whatever makes you feel good and go with it. Okay? Have fun and take care of yourself. Have a beautiful life ahead. See you soon next week. Thank you. Bye.